hammer. Look, over there. It's a little wooden boy. What's his name, Grandpa Geppetto?
Pinocchio. His name is Pinocchio.
P-I-N-O-C-C-H-I-O. Pin-no-key-o. Pinocchio.
I wish Pinocchio were my real son.
Did you hear that? Maybe we can ask Pink Fairy to help him. Pink Fairy! Pink Fairy! Where are you?
I'm here.
Look, it's the Pink Fairy. Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Dad, look! I can move!
Wow! Pinocchio's moving and talking. Look! Pinocchio's going to school.
Pinocchio, remember what Pink Fairy told you?
Yes, Dad. If I'm a good boy, she will change me into a real boy.
Okay then, be good in school.
Did you hear that? Let's see if Pinocchio is a good boy. This is Pinocchio's school. But why is Pinocchio running away? Hey, Pinocchio! Why are you running away?
School is so boring, and our teacher is really scary.
Uh-oh, Pinocchio is not being a good boy. Uh-oh, it's the stiff-legged fox and the one-eyed cat.
Hey kid, wanna come and see a puppet show with us?
A puppet show? That sounds great!
Oh no! Pinocchio is following those bad kids. Let's go. Pinocchio might be in danger. What's this? It looks like a puppet show, but it's so loud. Drum, trumpet, drum, trumpet. And where's Pinocchio? There he is, on the stage. Oh no! Pinocchio and that clown. They are all tangled up. Now what?
Help me! Help me! Daddy, help me!
Oh boy, Pinocchio is in jail. We need Pink Fairy. Come on, let's call Pink Fairy. Pink Fairy! Pink Fairy!
Oh, Pinocchio, why are you here?
I lost my books. And,
Uh-oh, Pinocchio's telling a lie. He's not being a good boy. Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Yikes! My nose is growing! Please stop! I will never lie again!
Pinocchio, Pinocchio, you told Pink Fairy that